What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have one of our wide body kit, which is our demon style kit, which is vz102525, and this is for the Dodge Durango fitting 2014 to 2025 models. Now let's go ahead and open this so we can get into it and show you everything that it comes with. Now it's pretty much the same as our 25-24 kit. The only thing that's different is the lip. And this is what the lip looks like and comes with. It should be 4 different pieces. You'll have these 2 long pieces here and then the side pieces that go to them. Now the 25-24 doesn't come with a wide body lip to complete the wide body theme, but if you'd like, you can order it separately, which is vz102522. And that's what this lip is here if you order it separately. Now, to piece everything together, you'll pretty much just snap them in place and then screw them together. Now, whenever installing them, you want to make sure that the edge with the holes on it matches up with the center piece with the holes on it. And it should just all seamlessly fit together like so. Now, you can't actually install these on the wrong side, so if you are trying to install it on the wrong side, like so, it won't fit together properly at all. And that helps to make it a fairly simple install. Now, to actually install it, you'll see the holes along this back edge, and this is what will actually help you bolt it into the car and securely hold it in place. Now we can go ahead and start getting into the fender flares to complete the wide body look. Now you'll have 2 large ones like this, and on the inside each one of these is marked, so you know which piece you're missing if you don't receive all of them. And it also, if you break any of them or lose any of them, we can go ahead and send you a replacement with our part out system. Now our part out system, if you want to look it up on our Vicrez website, is vz102525R. You just add an R at the end of the VZ and it should pop up our part out system. And from there, you want to go ahead and take a picture of the writing on the inside of the fender flare to match up with whatever piece you're missing or is damaged or broken. Then we can go ahead and send you a replacement. Now besides the 2 large fender flares, you'll have the brackets, which there should be 8 of them in total. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pull 2 of them out for you guys so you can have a better look at them. And each one of these is marked as well to what piece they correspond with, and to also help identify to make sure you have all of your pieces. Then next, we'll have our 2 smaller fender flares, and each of these is marked as well on the inside, and this is what they will look like. And each one of these tabs over here on the edge is what the brackets actually install onto and snap into place onto. So you want to make sure that they're cleaned up, and if they have any extra material on them, just go ahead and remove it with a razor blade or peel it off. And then your bracket should snap right into place. Now moving on from those 2, we'll have 2 a little bit larger than those right here. And these are marked on the inside as well, along with the tabs located along the edge also, so that the bracket can snap into place. And there is a little bit of wiggle room on the bracket. That way, if you put it on the car and it's not lined up correctly, you can nudge it into place and shift it into place properly. So that way you have a seamless wide body look. Then moving on from those, we'll have our wide body fender flares with the sensors, if compatible with your vehicle, as well as the flasher indicator, so that people can spot you on the road at nighttime. Now, we also do pre-install the mounting point for your sensors, so all you have to do is remove your sensor bracket on your car and snap it into place whenever you're reinstalling everything. Same goes with your flasher indicator. All you do is snap it into place, and then with these 2 holes, you can securely bolt it down. Now that's it for those 2 pieces. And lastly, for the wide body fender flares, we'll have these 2 larger pieces, and these will be the easiest and most identifiable pieces, because on the inside here, we actually do have an insert to make them a little bit more rigid and more sturdy. And it also helps so you can apply more adhesive to allow it to stick better to the car. And then the last pieces to this kit will be all your adjacent pieces. Now, if you ordered our full conversion kit, you will receive our 2525 along with your front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper, and so on and so forth. And that's what these pieces will actually connect to if you ordered our side skirts or anything else. These pieces will actually connect to it to complete the look, and they will sit on the inside of your wheel well. That's what this hole is for here. So your wheel liner can snap into place on here and have a seamless look, and everything bolts in nicely. And each of these should have two, just like pretty much every other part besides the brackets and the front lip. Then next, we'll have two pieces like this, which are kind of triangle shaped. And they also have the hole for the wheel liner so that it can be snapped into place and bolted in. And that will also sit inside the wheel liner at either the front or the back of it. Then the last two pieces for this kit, I kind of like to call them octagon shaped or halfway octagon shaped. And this is what they look like. And this one has two holes for securing it inside the wheel well. And these will also be snapped into place and bolted in, as well as glued in on this rigid edge here. And then we also supply the 3M tape for installing everything. Now that's it for this kit. If you would like to see more unboxing videos like this one, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to see an install video on this kit, go make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And make sure to hit that notification bell when we upload more videos just like this one. Peace.